we're going to explain how to download files inside a WebView. This isn't a straightforward process because WebViews are designed primarily for displaying web content, not directly managing downloads. The approach depends heavily on the platform, Android or iOS, and the level of control you have over the WebView. There's no single universal solution, but here are some common strategies. 1. Using the WebView's built-in download capabilities, if available. Some WebViews offer a mechanism to intercept download requests. Android's WebView client class, for example, has a should intercept request method. You can override this method to check if a URL represents a downloadable file, based on the file extension or content type. If it's a download, you can use a download manager, Android, to handle the actual download process in the background, notifying the user of its progress and completion. iOS offers similar functionality through its WK WebView delegate methods, allowing you to intercept requests and manage downloads using the system's download manager. This is generally the preferred approach because it leverages the operating system's built-in download handling, which usually provides a user interface for download management, pausing, resuming, etc. 2. Using a third-party library. If the WebView's built-in download capabilities are insufficient or unavailable, you might consider using a third-party library. These libraries often provide more advanced features such as progress tracking, download resumption, and handling of different download protocols. The specific library you choose will depend on your platform, Android or iOS, and your project's needs. Thoroughly research and select a library that fits your needs and is well maintained. Remember to add the library's dependency to your project's build configuration. 3. Downloading the file manually using HTTP requests. As a last resort, if neither the WebView's native features nor a suitable third-party library is available, you can make HTTP requests directly from your app's code to download the file. This involves creating an HTTP client, sending a GET request to the file's URL, receiving the response, and writing the response body to a file on the device's storage. This approach is more complex because you are responsible for handling all aspects of the download, including error handling, progress tracking, and potentially resuming interrupted downloads. This requires more code and expertise in networking. 4. Important security considerations. Always validate the downloaded file's integrity and authenticity before allowing it to be used on the device. Never download files from untrusted sources. Implement appropriate security measures to prevent malicious files from harming the user's device. Check the file's MIME type to confirm it matches what you expect, and consider scanning the file with an antivirus application before allowing the user to interact with it. 5. User experience. Provide the user with clear feedback during the download process. Display a progress bar, show the download speed, and notify the user when the download is complete or fails. Handle errors gracefully and provide informative messages to the user if something goes wrong. Consider showing an appropriate system dialog box to indicate download progress in line with the platform's native style guidelines. Remember to always check the specific documentation for your chosen platform and libraries for the most accurate and up-to-date information. The implementation details will vary slightly between Android and iOS and also depend on the WebView library used.